Welcome to the part 2 of how to make this beautiful turbanator. So here I'll be teaching you how to attach the design to the turban. So let's get started. Material needed are we need a crinoline, and here I have 2 yards of crinoline. Then you cut your fabric 2 inches by 72 inches long. So use it to wrap the edge of the crinoline, just like I'm doing it. So that is, I will show you how to do that on the machine. Then here we have 6 inches by 12.5 inches. I pick it, and I also pick my gum stay, the lightest gum stay. I gum it, I use iron to gum it to it. So I'll do that for the 2 because I cut it out in 2 places. Now we are at the machine. I'll place my fabric on the crinoline, then I'll sew it down. After sewing it down, you cut away the excess, and then you use it to cover it back, just like this. So you turn it, then you hide the rough edge. Look at it like this, then you sew down. After sewing it, you pick your gums and your fabric, the design. I've gummed the stay to it, so I just sew it 4 corners like that. I'll sew it. What I did for this, I'll do for the other one too, because it's in 2 places. So here is it. I've finished gumming it and sewing it round. Now, for me to turn it in out, I'll cut it at the center. I'll locate the center, then I cut it like this. The same thing I did for this, I'll do for the other one as well. So here is it. I'm done with the 2. I'll create bow with both, and then I'll attach both together. Just watch what I do. See it, I'll create it like this. Then I'll insert my needle. I'll do same on this too. Create my bow. Can as well do it like this. Create my bow, then I will insert the needle. So after inserting the needle, I'll tie it together. So you pick the crinoline, then you gather the edges just to secure it, because crinoline freezes. So you secure the edge, the both edges like this. So here is it. I've gathered both edges like this. I've secured both edges. What I'll do next is to gather the other edge, like I'll gather it from the beginning to the end like this. So here is it. I'm done gathering it. So I'll draw it. I'll draw everything together. You see, I draw everything together. Then the two edges, I'll bring it together. Like I'll fold it into two equal halves. See it like this. Fold it into two like this. Then I gather it like this. Just watch the way I do it. You get it. Gather it like this. So you secure it very well until you are satisfied. Next thing to do is to place it on the braided headband. So you put the headband on the dummy and then place your design on it to locate where you want it to be. So here is it. I want it at the side of the head. I don't want it at the center. So wherever you want yours to be, place it there. So I'll place it there and then I'll tack it down. So when you finish tacking it down, you see that the crinoline design is kind of falling. So you hold everything together up and tag. You tag it. So after tagging that part too, if you are not satisfied, you just use your hand to bend it down to any direction you want it to be. Then you tag down. You see it. I'll tack it down neatly. So once you finish tagging it down to your satisfaction, you pick your bow and then you place it in front of the crinoline design and then you tack it down as well, like this. So once you are done tacking it down to your satisfaction, you pick your applique and apply your gum to it and apply it to the back of the crinoline. I put my gum, I attach it. And I'll do same to the front as well. I'll put my gum and then I'll attach it. And our design is ready. It's beautiful. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscription button. Also click on the notification button so you get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you. I'll see you next time.